Hey, what's up, Fit Soldiers? We're gonna get after a box up and over today. Okay, using a box. This is about the highest I would go personally, just because I want this to be quick and snappy. You can take it down to 12-inch box if you want, or if your fitness level allows for that. So the goal is to be quick and snappy up and over the box as fast as you can. So 1 foot on the box, your entire foot off the box or on the box. From there, I'm going to drive out of this leg, pop up and over and onto the other side, decelerate, reload, come back over. Okay, I'm just going to watch my head here, and I'm not going to get up to a full tall position up here. I want to just get up and over, so I'm going to kind of stay hunched over. So head, shoulders, hips, stay nice and stable, and lower body gets moving. Up and over, touch, control. Okay, once this foot touches, I'm going to control down, touch, and explode back over. Okay, notice I'm not getting super tall. I'm not trying to jump high over the box. I just want to get these legs moving up and over, nice and quick and snappy. Again, lower this box down so you can do this fast. If it turns into needing to brace and push off your knee to get up and over, if you need to take a couple steps to get over and down, then the box is probably a sign that the box might be too high. You should be able to power up and over this nice and quick, nice and fast, nice and snappy. So get after the box, up and over, get the heart rate up, get the legs cranking, and have fun with it. We'll see you soon.